Both watches are IP68 waterproof. They can put in water, but no salted water or warm water. And both watches have the heart rate and the ECG and the blood pressure and also the Bluetooth music. And also both watch can control the music volume in the phone, and you no need to control the volume by pressing the button in the phone. You can just control in the watch. Then let's check the differences. Firstly is the design. The Iwo W26 is the Apple Watch design, and the DTX smartwatch is a new design, but it is also very beautiful. Then let's check the screen. The Iwo W26 has a 2.5D curved screen. And the DTX smartwatch is flat screen. From the screen we can see actually the Iwo W26 screen is a little bigger than the DTX smartwatch. It might be due to the Iwo W26 have a curved screen, so it looks bigger. And then the straps, we can see the Iwo W26 can fit all those 44mm Apple Watch straps, but the DTX smartwatch can fit the 20mm straps. And then the watch faces. The Iwo W26 smartwatch has 7 watch faces, and it is unable to add extra watch faces. The DTX smartwatch has 5 watch faces in the watch, and it can add extra watch faces through the app. And then the functions. The Iwo W26 has a temperature function, but the DTX does not have temperature function, but it has blood oxygen, while the Iwo W26 does not have the blood oxygen. And due to the Iwo W26 smartwatch have a microphone and the speaker, so it supports Bluetooth calls. You can make calls directly from the watch after you connect the Bluetooth with the watch and the phone, but the DTX smartwatch is unable to make calls or answer calls. And then the language. The Iwo W26 has more languages than the DTX smartwatch. The battery life. The Iwo W26 standby for 2 to 2.5 days, and the DTX smartwatch standby can last for 7 days, so it can last longer than the Iwo W26. Both watches have two UI styles. Both of them have the 9 apps view, and the DTX have a list style. And the Iwo W26 have a smart style. Both watches are very good, so which is your favorite model? You can write in the message to let us know. Above are our details today. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.